Welcome to our tutorial on the Variable Radius Fillet command. Let's start by activating the Variable Radius Fillet tool on the Fillets toolbar. Let's select this edge. Click Preview. It looks like a regular fillet with a radius value of 20 millimeters here and 20 millimeters here. Let's double-click on the radius and change the value to 10 millimeters. Tab and click OK. Let's preview. Now it looks like a variable radius fillet. Let's opt to check trim support and click OK. And here is our fillet. Double-click to edit it again. Right now we've got two elements under the points field. Let's activate this field and we'll drop a point right here. Let's double-click on the radius and change the value to 5 millimeters. Tab and OK. Preview. OK. Let's double-click on the feature and insert one more point. Activate the field. Here is a plane. Let's click on it. The intersection point between this plane and this edge appears here. Let's double-click. We'll change the radius now to, let's say, 10 millimeters. Tab. OK. Preview. Now let's select one more edge. It'll be this edge. And preview. Let's take a moment to examine some of the additional options available to us. Extremities. Smooth was selected. Let's try strong. Preview. As you can see, it's almost a straight line. Let's try maximum. Preview. Minimum. Preview. OK. Let's double-click on the feature again. We're going to expand the definition window by clicking More. Let's click in the Limiting Element field to activate it. Now let's right-click on Extrude 4, Hide Show. Now we'll select Extrude 4. We can change the direction by clicking on this arrow. Let's preview. And click OK. Now we've got a radius limited by this extrude. Let's hide the extrude. And that's how it looks. Double-click again. Let's explore the Edges to Keep option. We'll cancel out of this for now. Right-click, delete. OK. Activate the Sketch tool now. And let's create a sketch. Normal view. To turn it 180 degrees. Let's create a circle now, right about here. Exit the sketch. Now activate the Split tool. Element to cut, join 1. Cutting element will be this circle. Click OK. Next, I'll use the Extrude command. Select Sketch 3. Under Limit 1, enter a value of 0. Tab. Limit 2, let's leave it as is. OK. Now let's activate the Join command. We're going to join these two surfaces together. Click OK. Let's right-click on Sketch 3, Hide Show. Now let's activate the Variable Radius Fillet tool again. Expand the definition window by clicking on More. Under Edges to Fillet, select this edge. For the radius value, let's enter 15 millimeters. Tab and Preview. Let's increase the value a little more. Let's say 18 millimeters. Tab and Preview. You see what's happened with this edge. Click OK. The edge has changed shape. Let's double-click on the fillet, and we'll expand the window again. Under Edges to Keep, let's select this edge. Now click Preview, and OK. Now the edge is straight. CATIA has recomputed the fillet according to our new parameters. OK, one last time, let's double-click on the feature to edit it. We can also use a limiting element. Let's choose this plane. We'll change the direction. Click Preview and OK. As you can see, our fillet has changed again. And this concludes our tutorial on the Variable Radius Fillet tool.